This is W1RCP and Kilo Oscar 4 November Lima Lima, and we're about to open an Elecraft box with something in it. So let's see how exciting this is going to be. Go ahead and go with it, Eddie. I mean, you don't have to be gentle with it.
All right.
Notice the safety of cutting away from the body. This is an unboxing of the KX2 key that goes with it. That's just, we need to destroy that. Oh, hey, there it is. So we've got the KXPD2 Allen wrench sub-assy. We got the key inside of a bag. And that's pretty much it. So I was expecting a sticker in here. You can see some the spring floating around in there. Alrighty, so there is the unboxing of the key, but I don't have the radio yet, so that's still going to be probably 6 months to a year. Hopefully not that long, but here's your instructions on how to adjust the key. But this is what it looks like. It's very fancy schmancy. Oh, look at there. It even holds the Allen wrench in the key so that you can use it in the field. So there it is. Let's dump it out. There goes an expensive, probably not. So there's your contacts on the back. Those are what push into the radio. And there it is. There's your set screws to hold it onto the device. And